Introducing Xprinter's newly launched portable A4 thermal transfer printers, T8 T82. Their key highlight is dual-mode printing. Direct thermal with thermal paper, or thermal transfer with ribbons for copy paper. 300 dpi high resolution delivers sharp, crisp text. With a maximum print speed of 15.5 millimeters per second. It easily handles all your printing needs. Power on, load paper, print, simple 3-step operation. Paired with the dedicated APP, you'll have access to a rich variety of templates. Ultra compact and bag-friendly. Perfect for on-the-go office work. Powerful, easy to use, and portable. The T8, T82 bring you a brand new printing experience.